One of my favorite pieces to wear all fall and winter is a classic black turtleneck. Today, I'm gonna show you one of my favorites that is in stores right now and how to style it a bunch of different ways. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. I hope you guys had a fantastic week. It is Friday and it is almost the weekend and I'm pumped to see you guys and get to spend some time with you. I'm honored that you are spending your time with me and I hope that I'm giving you like the best possible tips that are gonna up your game and make you have a great day today. Okay, before I get started, if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button, and I will show up in your mailbox every Friday and we will hang out. I just had a message, I think it was on my Instagram, yes it was, it's from a makeup artist actually. She was saying that she had a larger chest. Was it possible for her to wear a black turtleneck? So actually, this video, you were the inspiration. So then I thought about it and I was like, why don't I show everybody how to style a black turtleneck? Whether you have a small chest, big chest, you're a big or small person, you can wear a turtleneck. It's such a great layering piece for the fall and winter. So without further ado, the black turtleneck. First of all, this one I got from Free People. Let me tell you what I love about it. It's thin. I like that because I can layer with it. I like the collar. It's a little like, it's got a ruffled edge on there and on the sleeves, which is very trendy right now. And my very favorite part, it's actually fitted and a bit cropped. And I love the cut. I love anything that doesn't cut straight across because when it cuts straight across, I don't feel like I can leave them hanging out. So this has a nice cut to it where it rises higher on the side of my pants and then cuts down lower in the front. I love that. It's like one of my favorite cuts for t-shirts, for anything. Moving on, first look, plain pair of jeans, any color. You can do black, you can do gray, you can do tan, you could do green, like an army color, and a black turtleneck. It is such a classic outfit. So I've styled it with my skinny jeans. These are high rise. I've had these, they're from last year. They're the Citizens of Humanity Rockets. For anyone who knows Citizens of Humanity, they're just a fantastic cut. They fit a lot of body types. Like I said, these are high rise. They come right up to my belly button. Looks fantastic. I've styled it with booties, especially if something's going right up to my neck. I love to have a little bit of height. I feel a little bit disproportionate if I don't have heels on. You can do it with flat boots, but I'm just saying, I think that the elevation is nice. So look number one, plain jeans. Whatever type of jeans do you like. This particular turtleneck, I can leave hanging out because my jeans are very high-waisted. It looks fantastic. So for look number two, I'm just gonna show you an easy fall trick. One of my favorite things to do is layer it because you still get the turtleneck. This is a vest, I think I've had it for a year. It's from Gypsy Soul. I believe they still have them. This is one of my favorite pieces. Any type of long sweater vest in the fall, especially with the turtleneck, is so cute. And you know what it does? It cuts you. So you only see the middle section of your body. That's what layering does with anything if you have a larger chest. So I love this piece. This is one of my favorites. Any type of long vest, if you put in Google, long vest, gray, you'll see a million of them come up. Look number two. For this look, all I've done is simply took off the vest, thrown on a leather or vegan leather jacket. One of the things I wanna let you know that I love with the turtleneck is this type of scoop neck collar on any type of leather, vegan leather jacket. It's just dressier, and the little turtleneck just pops out of the top. I love it, it's really fun. It just adds layer, it adds warmth, and you look super fashionable. Can't go wrong. For this look, I just threw on a bomber jacket. This one is amazing. It's from Gypsy Soul. They have it in store and online right now. And it's kind of fun because it's very in season. I've got some leopard print going on. I've got some funk. What I did for this look, it's a silk bomber. I rolled the turtleneck down a little. I felt like the high turtleneck with the bomber just didn't look that great. So if you're having trouble and you throw in a jacket and you're like, something's not quite right, try lowering the turtleneck down a little bit, and sometimes it makes a difference. Super cute, any jacket, same jeans. For this look, I wanted to show you that the turtleneck can actually be dressed up with dressy shorts, especially when it's a monochromatic look. I love these shorts. These ones in particular, I found at Hudson's Bay. They're difficult to find online. The brand's called Highline Collective. I will try and see if I can link to it below. If I can't, you're gonna have to scoot your butt into Hudson's Bay and go look for them in that section. Something to note, if you have an hourglass shape or a tiny waist, any type of shorts like this that ties the waist are fantastic for you, no matter what your size. Actually, if you're interested in more segments that talk about shorts for your body type, I actually did one on City Line in Toronto, and I will leave a link to that episode down below so you can check out your body type and which shorts you should buy. However, back to this, these shorts are great. They're like a faux leather, so they're a little bit heavier material, which works for fall, works for the turtleneck, and I've balanced them with a pair of black booties. I feel like because the turtleneck in this area is just very heavy and I'm a little bit more chesty, I need to have that balance down below. So it'll depend on your body type. If you're very tiny, you could possibly get away with like nude stilettos that would look really great and like a clutch to go out for the evening. Dressy shorts are a fantastic option with a turtleneck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Black turtlenecks are absolutely essential in your wardrobe. Don't be afraid to buy them, wear them. There's a million out there, so just make sure that you're really looking at the type of the material that they are, the cut, and how it fits on your body. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember, come over and say hi to me on Instagram. I post a lot of my outfits on Instagram, and you guys can check it all out over there. Hope you guys have an awesome Friday, and I will see you next week.